I'll be saying the story of the Jack and the Beanstalk. So, once upon a time, there was a boy known as Jack. He was very poor and lived with his mother in a small house. They did not even have food to eat. Most of the nights, they had to sleep with an empty stomach. They did not even have a proper bed to sleep. Most of the time, they used to sleep on the ground or in a hard bed, and they only have one cow, which also does not give milk because they don't have money to buy the fodder for it. So if the cow doesn't eat the fodder, it doesn't give the milk, and because of that, it doesn't give the milk too. So one day, their mother decided, his mother decided to sell away the cow so that they could just get the money from the cow, because now the cow is just useless to them, right? They cannot get milk from it. So instead, they thought of selling it, and so that they could get the money from it. So Jack's mother told Jack to sell the cow in the market, and Jack was going to the market with the cow on the road, and then he came across a very old but funny-looking man. That man came and said, "Good morning, Jack. How are you doing?" Then Jack said, "I'm fine. Good morning." Then the old man again asked, "Oh, little boy, where are you going away with this cow? It looks pretty nice to me." Then Jack says that, "Yes, it is a nice cow, but we don't have the enough money to buy fodder for it so that we can receive its milk. So I'm going to sell it in the market." Then the old man said, "Oh, you don't have to go to the market. I will buy the cow for you, and I need a cow." So the old man said that, and Jack said, "Oh, good. So how are you going to pay me?" Then the old man said, "I don't have money right now, but take this magical beans. These are very powerful, and these are very magical. If you see them overnight, they will become a beanstalk, and that beanstalk will reach the sky." Jack did not believe him at the first, but the old man was very convincing with his words. After some time, the old man persisted and he insisted, and Jack was convinced a bit, and he agreed with the deal. He took the beans, and he sold the cow away. But when he told this to his mother was very angry because he thought that Jack traded some useless beans for a precious cow which could give perfect milk. But but that's not what happened, right? Jack is too afraid to say that they were magical, and her mother and his mother threw the beans away out of the window of the house, and those beans were also under the influence of water and soil. So because of that, after one night, they have grown to huge beanstalks, um, which literally touched the sky. Uh, in the morning, when Jack found out about it, he was shocked. Now he tried to climb the beanstalk to see and to find out what's up there. So he climbed the beanstalk and he saw that there was a huge golden palace. He entered the palace and he saw a huge giant sitting in a throne and sleeping. Now Jack was very curious to explore this palace. And then the giant woke up and he smelled human blood, which is Jack's blood. Then Jack was very scared, knowing what the giant did. And then the giant walked across in the dining room, and he came across his table where he kept many golden coins, which were very precious. And Jack stole them away and went to his mother, and he showed them. His mother was very proud of him for earning. His mother thought that he earned those coins, um, and he was very proud of him. But then Jack told what happened. He told that there was a giant beanstalk in our aside of our house, which literally reached the sky, and there was the golden palace aside of it, and it did this. Then Jack's mother said, "Okay, next time be careful while you're doing this because that's a giant." The next time Jack went up again, and this time he stole a hen which lays golden eggs. Each one of this time it was too risky for him, but still his mother allowed him. And the third time he went up too far, so in hoping that he could find something very precious. And this time, yes, he found something very precious. He found a golden harp. This time, when he was stealing it and going under the beanstalk, the golden harp screamed, "Master, master, he's taking me away, please save me." The giant woke up quickly, and he chased Jack. But Jack was very quick. Well, he was very quicker. He was very quicker than the giant. So he got done fast, and he cut the beanstalk with an axe. So the giant fell from and the giant fell from a huge distance, and he broke all his bones, and he finally died. And when he died, on his body, even the beanstalk fell, and he was not even able, and his body did not even move. Jack was very scared of what happened, and even his mother was very scared. But at last, she was grateful that he came home back alive. And she also felt sorry that she didn't teach her the proper things. She didn't teach him the proper things to do. From this time, Jack's mother said that next time don't do anything of this, please. I might even lose you, and stealing others things is not good at all. You are too lucky this time, so please don't repeat this second time. And Jack said, "Yes, mother, I have learned my lesson. I will always work hard on my own for the things which I need, and I will earn money. Thank you."